Napakasipag mo naman, be. Dito sa golf mo, nakakapag-vacuum. Nilipat na yung ano niya, yung net niya dito. Ah. What golf holes? Grabe talaga to si Puldo. Hala! Nagbutas pala talaga siya, tas nilagyan niya pala ng ano, ilaw. Dalawa pa. Ala ka talaga. Did you make a hole?
Yeah, made holes. We've got 4 holes. 1, 2.
Galing mo. Kaya pala ang daming ano, ang daming niyang dumating ng mga parcel from America. Mga box. Iba talaga ang trip neto. Grabe ka na talaga, Puldo.
We do this so we don't like that, see?
May pating na siya dyan. That's why you're so busy today.
Yeah.
So just come back from playground with the kids. And can you ano ng clouds? Wow. Si Papa P yung mga hobby niya talaga. Tapos yung binili niya kay Kendall, ayan. Naglalaro sila Kendall dyan paminsan-minsan pagka hindi sila nagpi-playground sa labas. Naman.
That's for the other
Dami yung, kaya pala daming gumagawa ng mga lalaki dito kanina.
So when you want to like use your club, you can move left and right.
I'm gonna play. I'll try this. Ay. Ang ganda talaga nito.
Do you like my lights?
Ayaw ni Puli palagay ito. Tanggalin.
Yeah,
Why you don't like
Just
this?
the iron covers so you can see what irons they are.
It's alright. That's why they have a number there, oh. Ayan, number 5.
On the irons.
Yeah, they have number there.
Where?
Like this.
You
I like them. It's very cute.
This is nice.
Pero ayaw niya ipagamit yung ano dito kasi binila niya ako neto
Take
pang
the first shot so I
pattern.
can have a go.
Mas mahal kasi ito eh. Ha? So magsusyete muna ako. It's been a long time.
Yeah. That sounded good, babe.
Oh, that's nice.
That's perfect.
Yes. Kasi
First
we
shot.
gonna play tomorrow at 4. Ano, what time we gonna leave tomorrow?
5.
5 a.m. And may cute ano yung cover ng clubs ko. Teddy bear. Gusto to kunin ni Kendall. Hindi ako pumayag. Ang cute niya guys. Oh. Talagang very me, very shala, very pink.